Good morning. We are starting here in the bathroom. The first place you start in the mornings.
I'm Bill.
I'm Kelley.
And this is our
Adventures. Oh!
Here we go. Yeah!
And when you're from the country and nobody can look in your windows, there's things that you don't think about. And it would be going to the bathroom, sitting here, and not closing the door to the bathroom. Because people can see you. Things that you need to think about when you're from the country and you're staying in the city. I don't have to think about this in my RV, but I do have to think about it when I'm staying in another place. We're really not sure what we're gonna do today, but it's supposed to rain, but we're gonna go eat at a place called Hominy Grill. We're gonna try that and see how packed that is. And then we're just gonna figure out our day. I pulled off because I wanted to take a picture. It's so pretty. Well, that was just a quick stop to take a picture. That would be really pretty when the sun is out, but we're not going to have any sun out pictures. That's why we didn't get to take pictures of the sunrise. It's clouds. But that is beautiful. Hominy Grill is closed permanently, so don't go there. I got the address and put it in our GPS and didn't pay attention that up above it said permanently closed. Then we're trying to figure somewhere else to eat breakfast. All right, so we're going to this place called Dab's. Parking around Charleston stinks. It is very difficult to find parking places. Oh. But anyway, does it look open? Is it closed too? It looks dark in there. Maybe we shouldn't be eating breakfast if it's closed. Wow, that was good. Enjoyed it. Yep. Really nice, quaint little place. Kind of off the beaten path.
Very off the beaten path. You have to key it in if you want to know where it's at.
Yes, for sure. All right, I think we're gonna go try to find a gym and work out. This Charleston place has way too much good food and I'm eating way too much. So we're gonna go try to work that off and then maybe ride out to Foley Beach, because we call it Foley for whatever reason last time we were here. So, and there's a Foley, Alabama. That's probably why.
Yeah, I'm talking about Foley.
Yeah. So, all right, let's go. Got a little arm and chest exercises done, weightlifting, and now we're gonna head to Foley Beach. Wow, here we are, Foley Beach. Not the perfect day to lay on the beach, but we're gonna walk on the pier and just walk around and enjoy listening to the ocean. Another fail. No umbrella or jacket. And that was just because I was lazy and I didn't want to grab it. It's okay. Just get wet. It'll dry. Right?
Swing back by the car.
Yeah, swing back by the car and get the umbrella. As it said that it's supposed to rain, light rain for the next hour. Hey, but you know what? If you only have a limited time at some place and it rains, guess what? You have to enjoy it. We're not umbrella people, so we have a nasty, dirty umbrella.
I think it's been clean in 40 years.
It's got holes in it. Well, that might not be good.
As long as it keeps a little bit of the rain off of it, it's all like that.
All right, let's just walk around in the rain. We're about to go run to the Blind Tiger. See if we can eat there, because you know I tried to eat there last night and they had the oyster thing. So we're gonna walk over there. Bill hasn't felt like really great this afternoon, so we haven't done a bunch.
Excuse me?
Oh, sorry. But anyway, it's been pouring down all afternoon and he hadn't felt real good, so we just kind of stayed in. I'm gonna walk down here and eat some dinner. Failed again. No rain jacket. Y'all got water all over you and I'm soaked. I don't know if you can hear me over this music, but this is the Nashville hot chicken. We had it last time we were here. Really, really good. We're here at the Blind Tiger. Can't remember if I told you that when we were running. All right, we just finished eating. I won't, since it's our last night here and it's not raining right this minute, maybe we won't get stuck in the rain. We're gonna walk down to where all the pretty houses are, where they hung the pirates.
I don't think we'll make it all the way down to where they hung the pirates, but we'll walk down that way.
You don't think we'll make it? How far is it?
5 or 6 blocks.
Oh, well, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, we're gonna finish up tonight and then tomorrow we will head over to Asheville. Walk around the block and then call it a night. Looks a little scary. Just think, like old pirates and stuff used to walk around these here streets. For a city so steep in history, it's no surprise Charleston, South Carolina is known as one of the most haunted cities in America. Founded in 1670, Charleston has survived fires, earthquakes, hurricanes, flooding, and 2 wars. With such a complex and often dark past, ghost stories and haunted places are abound. Like and subscribe. Till next time.